Welcome to video number 4 for week 10. In the education section of your resume for the cover letter and resume assignment, I want you to consider putting this first on your resume. And that's because for most of you, your education is what's going to best qualify you for the job. You probably don't have extensive IT experience, so your education is probably the thing. You always want to advertise the best things first, so put that at the very top. Again, I'm looking for the formatting of this. If you did it correctly on your LinkedIn, then you should be able to copy and paste the information from there. So you want your degree, diploma, or certificate. Okay, so for most of you, it's either going to be computer programming advanced, or computer programming diploma, computer programming and analysis advanced diploma, computer systems diploma. You get the idea. Okay, do not include high school. So if I see high school on there, you're going to lose a mark. So please remove that. If you don't have a lot of related experience, related work experience, you might want to consider adding some information about some of the courses, okay, the course titles that are relevant to the specific job that you're applying for. So again, it's how you can enhance the information on your resume or show that it's targeting that specific job. Okay. So just a little bit more information from that video if you want somebody else to be giving you more details. And this link right here talks about what to do if you have partial credential, like you started a program but you didn't complete it. So they give you some advice about that. Okay, the next section for this assignment is going to be called IT skills. So this is where you're going to go back to that worksheet that you completed, the cover letter and resume activity sheet, and you identified some IT or technical skills or knowledge that were required on the job posting. And then you said, yeah, I've got that, and here's evidence of it, right? Or it might just be a checkbox. Either you have it or you don't have it, and that's okay. So what you want to do is you want to create a section, because again, your education's probably getting you in the door, getting you looked at, and then your IT skills. Can you actually, do you have the skills to do the job? So this is where, again, watch this little video and they give some suggestions on how to lay out that information. So it could be design skills, technical skills, so they put columns, or in this one they did it as a list. So tools, languages, technologies. So pick the way that your skills and knowledges are best marketed to the person who's reading it. Do not include soft skills like teamwork, communication skills in this section.